How do you transport a high-profile prisoner who's escaped jail twice in Mexico? According to police, via a highly secure motorcade that includes shutting down parts of the Brooklyn Bridge at times. 61-year-old Joaquin El Chapo Guzman was brought to Brooklyn federal court today from a Manhattan correction facility. Outside, heavily armed officers that you can see and plainclothes counter-surveillance teams that blend in. The NYPD and U.S. Marshals have been working together for months on plans to secure the courthouse.
The partnership in New York is unique, second to none. The partnership with the NYPD, the federal partners, the FBI, the Drug Enforcement Administration. Any major high-threat trial, any high-value target, whether it be organized crime, terrorism, drug traffickers, New York is the premier place to have these trials, these high-security trials.
And extra security has been extended to jurors. In an order issued back in February, U.S. District Judge Brian Cogan said that the jurors will remain anonymous and partially sequestered. Their names, addresses, and place of employment will be kept confidential. They will also be transported to and from the courthouse by armed federal marshals. Guzman's lawyers fought an anonymous jury. Criminal defense attorney Gerald Lefcourt, who does not represent Guzman, says he understands the defense's concerns.
The jurors will think that the defendant must be guilty of something and must be dangerous.
But the judge said given Guzman's history of violence, the jury needs protection. Guzman has pleaded not guilty to charges that his cartel smuggled tons of cocaine and other drugs, laundered billions of dollars, and oversaw a ruthless campaign of murders and kidnappings. Though it sounds rare, an anonymous jury is not that unusual.
The United States Marshal Service is very used to these kinds of proceedings. There have been many with anonymized jurors, and the security is intense.
Well, potential jurors today were questioned about their views on the legalization of marijuana, their fluency in Spanish, and how much they knew about Guzman. Guzman was extradited to the U.S. from Mexico because New York is one of several U.S. jurisdictions where he's charged. He faces life in prison if convicted. Opening statements, Dana, are set for November 13th.
All right. Thank you, Alice.